We are a maritime-first data company. Our high-level goals are de-risking, decarbonising, and essentially creating efficiency gains all across the maritime sector. What we're doing is trying to bring maritime into the data age, into the modern age. We have these vessels that historically, all of the components on the vessels, be it your engines or generators, they could have hundreds, thousands of sensors across the whole vessel. They'll be polling data at hundreds or thousands of times a second, some of them. So you're creating gigabytes and gigabytes of data every day. But historically, this data's just been woefully underutilized. It disappears into the ether. It runs around the local network of the boat and then it disappears. Our customers haven't historically realized how valuable that data can be. And I think as well, connectivity's been the issue. If you have a vessel in the middle of the Atlantic Ocean, for example, and you have gigabytes of data being produced, there's been no way to get that data off the boat, especially live. By the time it gets ashore, again, you've got reams of it, and people haven't historically known what to do with it. You know, I think previously we lived in like an informational drought. Now it's a bit like we live in an informational flood, but no one can swim. Data storage needs, we use MongoDB. There's just been our perfect sort of one-stop shop for everything we need data-wise. The majority of what our data is time series. I mean, we ingest gigabytes and gigabytes of time series data. Mongo's been perfect for that because where the data's coming from and how the data looks, there's always scope for change. What we're seeing generally is a little bit like plug sockets, if you like. Everywhere you go in the world, they have a best practice, but what Mongo does is it's like that multi-plug that you can fit into any plug and then put ours on the back end. You know, the schemaless approach has been really helpful for us. It just allows us to ingest all this time series data in basically any capacity that we need to and any way that it comes in. Our job is coming in and, you know, trying to teach them how to swim, if you like. You know, we're going in, we're doing the analysis, we're taking that data and trying to unlock value from it. And that's one of the things we love about Mongo. It provides so much of the hard work is already done for us. We don't have to go in there and do the hosting, or we don't have to apply resource for optimizations. We do some stuff, but occasionally Mongo just flick a switch behind the scenes and all of a sudden we've gained like a 100% improvement.